Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a couple of announcements. Just to let you know, I'm part Saiyan, meaning I have a lot of powerful Saiyan neurons in my head. My first announcement is that it is officially scientifically proven indirectly that humans are part Saiyan. Thoughts in your head are scientifically proven to be physically a part of you, as stated in https://www.sciencealert.com/a neuroscientist explains how your brain actually thinks. So a thought of a Saiyan is physically a part of you, making you part Saiyan. When you think about something, your brain produces neurons of that thought. Those neurons are physically made up of atoms and are inside your brain. Those neurons belong to you since they are in your brain. This means that those neurons are physically a part of you. When you think about Saiyans, your brain produces neurons with the Saiyan thoughts in them. Since Saiyans are originally thoughts/imagination in your head, those neurons are basically carrying Saiyans in a way. And since those Saiyan neurons are physically a part of you, you are part Saiyan. In general, humans have pretty much the most powerful brains ever known. This means that humans are extremely smart, and because humans are so smart, their brains even have the power to imagine. This extraordinary ability allows them to create things in their head and visualize them. This whole process of imagination allows them to create neurons with the new thoughts in their head. With this happening, those new thoughts are physically a part of them. This means that with this superpower that humans have, they can simply become part Saiyan by imagining a Saiyan and letting their brains make a neuron with the Saiyan in it. Two scientific people who used to be a scientist in the past approved of this. One of them even said that the electric signals in your head with the Saiyan thoughts are some sort of Chi energy and that this is related to Chi. A professional helped me make an article about how it is officially scientifically proven indirectly that humans are part Saiyan and publish it on Zenodo. While, so far, the article on Zenodo seems to have nothing wrong with it, another website the article got indexed on had an issue. That other website just recently started to say that the article access is not available access. IDK, what happened and why that happened? Here are some possible reasons about why that happened. 1. The website that indexed the article thought that the article was presenting inaccurate information about it getting scientifically proven that humans are part Saiyan. Just to let you know, the information is not inaccurate, and there were actual people who used to work as scientists that approved of my evidence, and even added on to it, too. We tried to quickly get the article out, so there might have been some parts of the article missing that should have been there. As a conclusion, I hope that the problem with the article can get fixed soon, and I also hope that the article stays up forever, and that even more articles are made by people who are currently scientists. Thanks for watching. Shout out to Bonzi Buddiot, Yo Miguel, Clipper, and Larry Cortez. And remember, you're part Saiyan if you believe.